Hi, I'm Jess Assistine. I am from the Philippines. I am a CEO of 3 companies that I am also owning in the Philippines.
My name is Wendy. I come from Taiwan.
My name is Kasavan Hamani. I am Saint from Laos. I'm the CEO and President of Lao Sang Fund Education Group.
Hi, my name is Ernest Koo. I'm now on EBBA program. I'm now a professional licensed land surveyor.
Everyone, my name is Samson. I'm from Ethiopia. I'm pursuing EMBA, Executive Masters. Currently, I'm working in a forex industry.
Personally, I actually came to this workshop with an empty basket, hoping to gather a lot of information so I can bring it back, okay, so that I can use it at work and also pass this information to my students. But eventually, what I actually gather, okay, I kind of like get to know that I actually practice Sun Tzu's idea in my life, which is quite a big assurance to me.
It's an excellent program. The speaker that was chosen to conduct this program is a very experienced speaker, and he has got a lot of knowledge to share with us, and I find this program is very useful in our business life.
The workshop actually provides a deep insights on Sun Tzu art of war, to leadership, strategic thinking, negotiation skills, and I will rethink about the strategies to be applied in my workplace.
It was great because I learned a lot, right? Not only in the theory, and also how to utilize the theory that we learned in our daily work in the company.
Very useful. It tells me that the leadership is not like the task management. How you inspire people to share the common goals to achieve the targets together. And it's not about the fighting hard, but actually it tells about the strategies and the plannings, how to achieve your goals.
Sharpen my leadership skill. Second of all, it enhance my stakeholder management, and lastly, it's basically provide a can-do attitude.
It's useful for my personal working experience.
Workshop is very useful. Actually, I will use my knowledge and my experience from this workshop to apply for my educational business to be grown.
It's really amazing. It's really exciting and encouraging, and it's given me a lot of information.
I am now thinking of bringing them to the Philippines, of course through Universal Business Academy, and it will benefit a lot of CEOs and managers in the Philippines.
Yes, I would definitely recommend it to any other my colleague friends about this workshop. 很高兴今天可以来参加《孙子兵法》的课程，然后老师讲得非常精彩。那其中我觉得就是我们在出去 meeting 的时候，就是一定要先做好完整的准备，那再出去应战。
Sudah semestinya saya akan memperkenalkan program ini kepada orang lain, terutamanya sekali kepada associate, kepada company kami.
This course is useful, so maybe I'll plan to get it organized for my own companies of organization, for my top management level to learn about the skill of war.
任何人都需要上，所以我会非常的支持所有人，我的朋友一定要来上这孙子兵法。
This leadership program is definitely useful whether you want to improve in your personal life or professional life when it comes to increasing your leadership skills. I definitely recommend it.